Inside here, I'm just going to start here at the back. This is a 7-passenger inside. In your rear, it is a full power folding bed into a bed. You can actually lay this thing down completely. Watch this, folks. Easy. Never been easier to make your bed. It is a 3-piece bed, giving you the full length of the entire rear. The center section actually tucks underneath it when it's in its upright position. But again, if you had anybody want to take a nap when you're on the road, this thing has definitely got enough space for it. Put it back up, just hold the up button. Super, super easy. If you happen to have a young kid and they're still in a car seat and you need to tether it, your third row underneath this back carpet does have your anchor for your tether. And so you can go ahead and safely tie that in for your children. Inside here, you actually have your brake or your jack component. So it's got your jack and your crank for it. Nicely composed. You have a vacuum system for it. Comes standard with it, so you have your own little internal vacuum. Not only that, but if you ever head to the beach, folks, you actually get a little mini air compressor. Underneath here, you actually have a 12 volt, so you can just plug this right in, pump up those rafts, do whatever you need to do, and get out there and enjoy your day. Also want to show you, no matter where you are in all your rear, these are very secure, very private blinds. You can actually turn, basically nobody can see inside of this. So if you got somebody sleeping or the sunlight's bothering them, pick them up or put them down as you see fit. You have power retracted running boards on here, both sides, so when you open either the driver or passenger door or even your side doors, those will come down for easy in, easy out. It is a full power package. You have power on both driver's seat and passenger seat. Easy in, easy out, or entertaining. This thing is on swivel. Underneath your seat right here is a lever. Pull that lever and she'll rock any way you want her to go. All right, so somebody who's got maybe bad hips, can't swing this way, they can do it there. These are not power, they are manual as far as your backrest. They won't adjust forward or rear, but you can swivel and you can adjust your backrest. Does come with your pocket for any kind of magazine literature and your cup holder, so the passenger on this side is completely happy. Again, we talked about the blinds, easy up, easy down.